It's actually afternoon on a Sunday, but you can see it's quite dark in this greenhouse. I'll show you why. We've had quite a lot of snow overnight. All plants are buried. Probably around 4 inches, something like that. And it's actually really misty. And it started to rain a bit as well. And once again, caught me off guard like it did last year. I didn't take the net off these hoop tunnels, but luckily this time the whole thing's not collapsed. If you saw last year's video when we had that heavy snow, you'll probably remember that the entire tunnel, which was 35 feet at the time, just collapsed and it bent all those pipes. Thankfully this time that's not happened. I would take this snow off now, but it's just started to rain, so I'm hoping it's going to melt it all. But the garden always looks so clean and tidy when it snowed. It's really strange because the weather forecast for last night was quite cold, but it said sleet. And in true weatherman style, once again they got that wrong. So, for a Sunday, just at the beginning of December, there's obviously not much I'm going to be doing in garden today. So what a surprise that were when we got up this morning. The chance of a bit of sleet this afternoon turned into 4 inches of snow instead. But it also seems a little bit warmer for it. But now we've just started getting a little bit of rain, so I would think through this afternoon that's gradually all going to start to melt. And then we'll see what we're going to be doing this coming week. And thank you very much to Maria Williams and Kevin Jarman for making those donations. Very much appreciated, and we'll put them towards us autumn winter projects. So thank you very much to both of you for your generosity. It's going to be a very short video today, obviously. I just wanted to show you snow. Somebody did ask me to show the garden if we got quite a lot of snow, which I have done, and that's pretty much all I'm going to be doing today. So it looks like a bit of dinner and TV, and that'll be it for today. And if you want to see what I'm doing next week, hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and I'll see you then. Take care.